2017 Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi 5.7 liter. What we got done on it is, still got the stock converters there and there. Then it's widened to single 3-inch. Then it's got a 3-inch inlet muffler, 18-inch MAGNAFLOW right there. Then it's got 2.5-inch tailpipes right there and right there. And then we put some massive 5-inch by 18 rolled edge tips. Fill up that gap really nicely. That's how they should come from the factory. Hope you guys like it. It's gonna sound phenomenal. We left the resonators on it to quiet it down a little bit, give it that deep tone. Let you guys hear it in a minute. Like it? Oh man, those tips fit it perfectly. I like them. Nice thing about MAGNAFLOW is it's a really deep tone, not a lot of raspiness. It's a really clean sound, and it doesn't drone too much on the freeway.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know